Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Your go-to channel for daily job updates, internships, and career opportunities. So, if you are passionate about data engineering, cloud computing, and AI and machine learning, we have an exciting job opportunity for you at American Express. They are basically hiring for a data engineer one in Bengaluru, India, and this could be a chance to work with one of the top financial institutions in the world. So in this video, I'll cover everything you need to know from job responsibilities to career insights. I mean, key skills required, along with some of the pro tips to add in your resume to get shortlisted. And also, I will tell you about the American Express call in brief. So now let's begin. But before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any opportunity from our end. Also, we post three job opportunity daily on this particular YouTube channel. So do subscribe to it, and now let's begin. So let's understand a little bit about the American Express. So American Express is basically one of our top banking company, and it's also a global leader in financial services, empowering business and individuals with cutting edge technology and world class customer experience. So why once you join American Express, you will get to work on a high impact projects in data analytics, engineering, AI, and cloud technologies. Along with that, you will also be a part of diverse and global community. Not just that, you will also get recognized for your contributions and leaderships, and you will get a very good competitive salary with flexible work model. And if you want to grow in your career in data engineering and work with best minds in the world, then this is an opportunity you shouldn't miss. So now let's discuss some of the role overview. So the data engineer one role is a part of digital workspace data analytics platform team at American Express. So you will be responsible for building and managing large-scale data pipelines and cloud-based platforms. Along with you will also be developing data engineering solutions with AI ML capabilities. You'll also get to work with GCP Spark, data indigestions, uh, and data management as well. Also, you will be involved into improving user experience and IT visibility through real-time analytics. Not just that, you'll also have to ensure system scalability and reliability. So these are kind of your responsibilities that you can read from here as well. I just told in brief. You can just go through the entire description, entire roles and responsibilities, and try to add some key points. Let's just break it down some more into that. So you will be kind of involved into developing products and great data and analytic solutions, working closely with product managers, engineering team, and also implementing real-time and batch data ingestion strategies. You will also be handling data governance, security, and DevOps. Plus, you will use AI/ML models for predictive analytics, ensure scalability and reliability of platform, and research and adapt to latest cloud technologies and big data technologies. So this role is perfect for engineers who want to work with on high impact projects in data analytics, uh, AI, cloud computing, and all. So required skills and competencies for this qualification that I mentioned, that preferred qualification. So it will be something, if you want to be successful in this role, then you should have the a very good knowledge of data pipeline, Spark, and data engineering with very good experience in real time and batch data ingestion. I'm sorry, and story understanding of GCP, AWS, or Azure, and also the knowledge of big data technologies like Hadoop, Spark, Kafka, etc. So, plus you must have the experience with data governance and data security, along with the proficiency in programming language like Python, query language SQL, and other data processing tools. Plus, last but not the least, bachelor degree or master degree in computer science or related field is must. So these are kind of all the skills and competencies required for this particular role. Now, bonus skill, which is the preferred skill that they have mentioned, you can check out over here also that I have highlighted. They have just mentioned that you should have AIML experience. If you have this, it's going to be a plus. Plus, if you have worked in dashboarding, like data visualization, CTC, or using Power BI or Tableau or any other tool like Alteryx or any other tool, then it's going to be a plus. Plus, there's also expecting if you are having very good problem solving skill and experience of working in collaborative environment, then this is also going to add weightage to your profile. So if you have all these qualities and skill sets, do apply to this role. And because the benefit of working at American Express is a lot. You'll get top tier benefits, including competitive salary, performance bonuses, medical, dental, vision, insurances, hybrid work model, generous parental leave policies, free wellness programs like gym facilities and all. Plus, you'll also get a career growth and training programs, and they have also providing retirement, and financial well-being support as well. So, with one of the best employee benefits packages, American Express ensures you get the support you need to thrive. So, how you can apply? Just check for the direct link in the description and apply as soon as possible, because the sooner the better. And the pro tip, as I mentioned in previously, that try to take some key points from the description and add it in your resume, like Python, Hadoop, Spark. I mean, either of big data technology you can add. Plus data pipeline skill also you can add. Plus AIML skills and all this. If you have the knowledge of deep learning, that is again well, and that is again very good. So that's all for today's job update. If you are excited about this opportunity, let us know in the comment section. Share this video with your friends looking for data engineering jobs. And for more job updates and career tips, join our WhatsApp and Telegram communities. Subscribe to our channel for daily job updates, because we bring free job updates daily on this particular YouTube channel. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.